Good afternoon, and here we are at the next fig tree. This is Ronde De Bordeaux, and I believe it's ready to go. Got a little bit of bird damage, but we've got our net up, so that'll put a stop to that stuff. We'll take this in and see what it looks like. Alright, here we are with Ronde De Bordeaux. This is my first one I've gotten ripe. It's got some bird pecks on it. It's got a little bit of an open eye, but we're going to test it out anyway. I got some more that'll be ripe soon, but I wanted to, oh yeah, how nice that is. That's real nice. Yeah, I can't wait to try this one in the ground. That's going to be a really good fig. Yeah, it's got that berry flavor. It's got a little bit of a bitter flavor that kind of goes with it, but it kind of blends in real well with it. Kind of like that fig. We'll have to look at some more of these when we get some more ripe. Maybe I'll make another video of it, but there's RDB on this 3rd day of June already getting some figs. Thanks for watching.